Vadodara, Gujarat-based Gujarati families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Gujarati marriage bureau cum wedding planners in Vadodara, Gujarat. A marriage bureau for Gujarati elite and middle class families, passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Gujarati bride-groom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything, from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Vadodara, Gujarat. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Vadodara or Baroda is a cosmopolitan city located in Gujarat. Home to some of the most exemplary displays of architecture, Vadodara is a fitting memorial to Maratha leader Sayajirao Gaikwad, who had envisioned a dream to make this big city an educational, industrial and commercial center. Known for one of the most lavish palaces in India, the Lakshmi Vilas Palace, and plenty more legendary in their Faculty of Arts building, which is the second largest Mansory dome in India. The Baroda Museum and Picture Gallery is another heritage with remarkable design on walls. The Kothi building is where the administrative office is located, which is inspired by Scotland's Balmoral Castle, also known as the Temple of Fame. Kirti Mandir is a memorial for the deceased of Gaikwad family. Sayajirao Gaikwad Hospital is another example that shows the influence of Indo-Saracenic architectural style. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Vadodara, Gujarat, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Vadodara, Gujarat. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Gujarati life partner in Vadodara, Gujarat has been taken up by Gujarati marriage bureaus or Gujarati marriage consultancy in Vadodara, Gujarat. Today I will introduce you a Gujarati matrimonial service provider in Vadodara, Gujarat, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Gujarati families in Vadodara, Gujarat for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Vadodara, Gujarat, but the marriage bureau in Vadodara, Gujarat who have changed the concept of Gujarati partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker service in Vadodara, Gujarat. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Gujarati family is looking for in their search for a bride-groom in Vadodara, Gujarat. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Gujarati matchmaking services in Vadodara, Gujarat. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Vadodara, Gujarat to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Vadodara, Gujarat. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Vadodara, Gujarat. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Vadodara. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Gujarati database of profiles in Vadodara, Gujarat, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Vadodara, Gujarat. Number 3. Our Gujarati personalized matchmaking service in Vadodara, Gujarat fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees only to 2 lakh rupees. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Vadodara, Gujarat. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Gujarati matchmaking process in Vadodara, Gujarat. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.